Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you Xero versus QuickBooks, which is better. So let's get started. So now let's start immediately with the comparison. So we'll be starting with the overview of QuickBooks. So QuickBooks is available both online and as a desktop version. It's ideal for businesses that outsource accounting tasks to a bookkeeper or accountant. One limitation though is that QuickBooks only allows up to 40 users on its highest tier plan. And in some plans, each user has to pay for their own account. The great thing about QuickBooks is that it offers a super intuitive interface, making it a fantastic choice for beginners or small businesses that don't have much of an accounting background. It's designed to make the accounting process easy and user-friendly. And now for the overview of Xero. So now, unlike QuickBooks, Xero supports unlimited users, making it ideal for businesses that have a team of bookkeepers or accountants in-house. Xero was specifically designed with accountants and bookkeepers in mind, so its features cater more toward people with some accounting knowledge. While both platforms offer inventory management, QuickBooks takes the edge here. It has built-in inventory management that's part of its core features, whereas inventory management in Xero isn't as prominent. Now let's head over to the key differences in terms of project profitability and international features. So one area where Xero shines is in project profitability tracking. If you need to monitor how much each project is costing you in real time and compare it to your projected profits, Xero has got you covered. This feature is perfect for businesses that need to track project costs as they expand. Another thing is that Xero sets apart is its multi-currency support. So this makes it an excellent choice for businesses that operate internationally or have clients in multiple countries. So now, have you decided on which one should you choose between Xero and QuickBooks? It really comes down to your business's needs. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, beginner-friendly platform with solid inventory management, QuickBooks is a great choice. However, if your business focuses on project-based profitability or operates internationally, Xero might be a better option. And of course, you'll want to check the pricing of both platforms, compare the features, services, and terms, and see which one aligns best for your personal needs and preferences. Whichever platform ticks all your boxes is the one that will give you the smoothest experience. So that is it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you're Team Xero or Team QuickBooks. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.